How to fix app crashing on Lyft. Is your Lyft app crashing constantly? Let's get it running smoothly again. First, force close the app and reopen it to see if that clears the problem. If the crashes continue, go to your device's app settings and clear the Lyft app cache. Next, check for updates in the App Store or Play Store on your device. Outdated versions are a common cause. Still crashing? Uninstall and reinstall the app to reset everything from scratch. Make sure your device has enough storage and a stable connection while using Lyft. Avoid using the app during system updates or low battery mode. Those can cause temporary instability. Had trouble with app crashes before? Let us know your solution in the comments below. And that's how you can fix app crashing on Lyft. And if this video helped, hit the like button, share it, subscribe and leave a comment. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.